We'll guide you through how to use Zapier Code to automate your workflows effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Zaps page, which is where you can create new automations. Click on the Create Zap button to start a new one. In the Trigger app search bar, type in the application you want to use as a trigger for your automation. After selecting the Trigger app, choose the specific trigger event that you want to use. For example, you might select New Email if you're using Gmail. Follow the prompts to connect your account and set up your trigger event. Next, you'll set up actions. This is where the Zapier Code feature comes in handy. Click on the Action step and search for Code by Zapier. Choose whether you want to run JavaScript or Python code. If you're comfortable with coding, you can write your custom scripts directly in the editor. For instance, if you want to manipulate text or format data, this is where you can automate that process. After writing your code, make sure to test it by clicking on the Test and Review button to ensure everything runs smoothly. Any errors will be highlighted, allowing you to make necessary adjustments. Once satisfied with your code, you can add additional actions if needed, or proceed to turn on your Zap. Remember, using Zapier Code gives you the flexibility to customize your workflows beyond basic automation, which can save you a lot of time and effort. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.